Today we're building a 40,000 rupees gaming PC. And trust me, this thing performs way better than its price. First, we're using the Gigabyte A520M motherboard, which costs around R5 to 800. For the processor, we're going with the Ryzen 5600 GT. It has strong integrated graphics and comes in at about 13,000. Next, we have two sticks of 8GB G.Skill DDR4 RAM, total 16GB, costing around R9,000. Powering the system is the Ant Esports 500W PSU, a solid budget pick for RS2000. For storage, we're adding an EVM SSD that costs around R5 to 500. And finally, we're putting everything inside a Zebronics cabinet priced at RS2200. And that's it, a clean RS14 budget PC that can run games butter smooth. Perfect for 1080p gaming on integrated graphics.